So this is how you draw a raccoon. Let's start off with a circle, like so, and then two triangles like that. And then you're going to do 3 dots. Here, here, and here. And now you're going to do one of these. So it already looks like an animal, doesn't it? And then you're going to draw the body, which is going to be just like that. The eye patches are very distinguished. Some of us said it looks like a bandit, like so. I do like the consistency of color pencils, and if your eyes get lost like they are in this, you can darken them, like so. There you go. He's got little whiskers, and he's got the ear tufts. And I go from the eye up. That's where the ears are. Make sure they're curved, not pointy, on the top. And then the mask has an outline, like so. All right. Okay. The ears are a little dark on the outside here. It's really starting to come together, see? All right, now the leg here. It's about halfway up the body. And it comes like that. Same with this side. You get the little feet. And I'm going to have this arm going this way. And raccoons have like very hand-like, almost like human hands. We can have this one waving, because that's cute. You can turn up the smile a little here. And then we can do the tail, which is a little more puffy in the middle. It has one of its stripes is on the tail tip, and then there's some stripes all the way up. And there's a color separation here. And lastly, we can do some more shading, like so. And you show a little bit of the hairlines here. All right, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.